So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis for the week on what we are going to be expecting on our gold. So we are going to do this. So we are going to start the time frame for the higher time frame down to the forward time frame. We will look at it and we will see what market will be doing for the week. But before that, before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for this week, if you have been following this channel consistently, you'll see that during the week, right, that just ended, I predicted a bearish move for the week. I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a bearish move. If you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch it so you can confirm my prediction. To those that have watched it, you should be able to confirm that what I just said is absolutely correct. So this is to tell you that 90% of our analysis on gold, whatever we say will happen, we'll have it in mind that we have between 90 to 95% of it being correct. Yes, we have an high rate. I mean, if you have been following, you should be able to testify to this. So markets did exactly what we predicted it to do. Now, for this coming week, let's see what markets will be doing this week. Now, in order for us to predict what markets will be doing for us this week, we need to start with the trend. Now, these are the two rules of trading. The first rule of trading, know your trend. Second rule of trading, trade with the trend. Remember these two rules. First, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. Now, what can you say is your trend on? And also, within this know your trend and trade within trend, we also have the main trend and we also have the minor trend. Now, let's start with the trend. What can we say the trend is on our gold? This is very clear and it is very simple. Gold is in an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move. You can see that gold is very much in an uptrend move. It is trending to the upside. This is the main trend, right? The main trend on gold is in an uptrend move, right? Now, this is it. So basically, if you are a long-term trader, basically if you're a position trader, what you should be looking out for is to going for the buy. You should be targeting an impulsive move, bullish move. That is exactly what you should be expecting, right? But within that movement, we have a current trend, which is trending to the downside. We are going to be looking at it very soon, right? And we will. To see the current trend properly, you will have to go down to your daily time frame. But take a look at it right here. 2 weeks ago, markets opened and closed bearish, right? Last week, which is the week that just ended, this week that just finished, this Friday, which that was for the week for trading week, which is this Friday, it has ended. Markets opened and closed bearish. Now, this coming week, which is next week, we should also be expecting markets to give us a bearish move. So basically, there by next week, this coming week, we should expect gold to actually open and close bearish for the week. So this is to tell you that whatever you want to be doing on your gold, you want to be going in for the sell. So you want to be looking for you want to be looking out for a sell position. That's what you want to be looking out for on your gold. Now this is our current trend. This is a trend right here. You can see that markets now. This is it right here. In case you don't understand this movement, this is your low, right? Here comes your lower high. Market then give us this massive drop, which is your lower low, right? Now this is the lower high. Although market did give a series of higher high and higher low, but it is still a lower high. This is just lower high. Guess what market is doing right here? Market is now dropping and we will be expecting to give us a new lower low, thereby completely taking out this low. So this is one of the reasons why if you are a position, you want to hold in your position for the long time, going for the sell and expect market to drop to take out this low. Such a movement should be giving nothing less than 1,000 pips. Let's see if we are correct. So this will be giving you about 3,000 plus pips. So guys, you have a potential 3,000 pips to grab, right, to make on this your gold. So gold has a potential of giving about 3,000 pips. You can see 3,000 pips. If you can just go in for your sell and hold yourself for maybe 2 months, I would say 2 months, between 2 to 3 months. If you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position for like 2 months, the market is able to take out this week, thereby forming a new low. You are definitely going to be grabbing a lot. So what I'm trying to say is that this week will be a bearish move for us. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is just our low. This is the lower high, right? This is the lower low. This is also the equal lower high right here, which made market to drop. Market eventually came back to test it. So of course we'll be expecting market to eventually continue that drop. It is able to fully take out this low. thereby giving us a new lower low. So above all, our movement and our prediction on gold is to the downside in bearish move. If there will be any changes to this prediction I've just did, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on any updates.